30th January 2024 startup checking video of Abdullah Kneader Big 5 kg model AE221 for Daraz. This is the shipping label. It has a metal blade inside, a measuring flask, and the machine is okay from all the sides, as you can see in the video. This is the back side. This is the bottom side. There are no damages, and now we will start the machine to check it. The machine is started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. You can see the noise is not high. It is a latest model. This is the carton. After checking, we pack it in its original carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, and then we further pack it in brown sheet, and lastly in bubble wrap for safe packaging, and apply the fragile stickers also. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. We are Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. As you can see, the machine has automatically stopped, and now we will pack it for Daraz. It is okay. You must read the instructions in the manual before using it. You can easily get it cleaned by taking the steel bowl out and washing it. इधर रखा करो ना, काटे कोई तो कटे नहीं.